In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit quotes on Squarespace. Navigating the digital space to make your website pop with personality can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're looking to customize those eye-catching quotes that can truly make your site stand out. Well, the good news is Squarespace offers a relatively simple way to edit these quotes to match your style and brand. And today, I'm here to walk you through each step of the process, ensuring by the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to customize quotes on your Squarespace website with ease. First things first, let's head over to the Squarespace website. It's essential to start at the home page because this is where your journey to customization begins. So, find your way to the Squarespace homepage to get started. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner, and give it a click. This brings you closer to accessing the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Up next, Squarespace offers a convenient way to log in using your Google account. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option not only fast-tracks the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. In the window that pops up, you'll need to select your Google account. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace website. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you used to set up your Squarespace site. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this by clicking on the direct link to your website's administrative panel, often found on your Squarespace dashboard. This step takes you to where you can begin to customize and edit various components of your site, including the quotes. Now, to edit the quotes to your liking, we will need to access the Styles menu. You'll find a link to this on your site's dashboard as well. The Styles menu is where Squarespace houses all the customization tools you'll need to personalize your site's aesthetics, from fonts to colors and everything in between. Once you're in the Styles menu, the next step is to navigate to the Fonts section. Look for the arrow indicating the direction to click on to expand the Fonts menu. This section consolidates all typography-related settings, including those for the quotes you're eager to edit. Inside the Fonts menu, you'll see an option titled Assign Styles. This crucial step allows you to assign specific font styles to different elements across your website, including the quote block. It's the gateway to ensuring your quotes not only stand out but also align with your overall site design and brand identity. Click on Assign Styles and then proceed to locate the quote block format settings. Here you'll have the freedom to change the font, size, color, and even the spacing of your quotes. Each adjustment you make can significantly impact the visual appeal of your quotes, making them more engaging to your site visitors. Throughout this process, remember to periodically preview the changes to ensure they align with your vision. Squarespace provides a real-time preview feature, enabling you to see adjustments as you make them. This feature is invaluable as it ensures that you're fully satisfied with the end result before making it live to your audience. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of editing quotes on Squarespace, giving you yet another tool in your arsenal to craft a website that truly resonates with your visitors. Remember, the key to a memorable website lies in the details, so take your time to explore and experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit for your brand. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Squarespace website. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.